Introducing the 2025 Honda CB125F, your perfect partner for the city grind and weekend escape. Sleek, efficient, reliable. This is more than just a commuter. It's the start of every rider's journey. Powered by a 124cc air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, the CB125F produces 10.7 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 10.9 Newton-meter of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Thanks to Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection, expect smooth throttle response and maximum fuel efficiency on every ride. With a wet weight of just 117 kilograms and a seat height of 790 millimeter, it's lightweight, nimble, and confidence-inspiring for new riders and daily commuters alike. It's built for comfort too, with an ergonomic seat, a clear digital dash, and an impressive 11-liter fuel tank, perfect for longer city runs without constant refueling. With 160 millimeter of ground clearance and a sturdy chassis, the CB125F handles daily bumps and corners with ease. Wheelbase, 1,285 millimeter. Ground clearance, 160 millimeter. Everything engineered for balance and control. Perfect for beginners, ideal for city life. Love motorcycles, scooters, and everything two wheels? You're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and ride with us at Aries Communication.